रहने दो, टास्क बार चलने दो। मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, अभी चलने दो जैसा चल रहा है ना, बीच में कहीं अटकेगा तो कट कट बोल के फिर से स्टार्ट कर देना है, ठीक है?
ठीक है, ठीक है। ओके, रेडी
सो
सर।
विजय, या या so Vijay, let's start
ओके।
doing this chair.
Okay guys, my name is Vijay. Today we are going to make this simple chair. So let us start. First choose the rectangle tool. Today first we will make this seat. For this choose the rectangle tool and let us.
One second, Vijay. One second, Vijay. I have some questions. So,
Yes sir.
what we are doing is like we already have a chair, right? So
Yes.
you will be building up a chair next to it.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
So we are not doing it in a fresh file. Can we do it in a
This
fresh
is,
file or
yeah, we can do it, but I thought of making it as a reference.
okay, okay, no problem. So this is a ready-made chair which you have opened.
Yeah.
So now we will be doing a similar chair next to it.
Yes, yes, correct. So guys,
Okay.
let us first start making the seat first. For this, go to rectangle tool and let us make a rectangle, sorry, square of 400 comma 400 mm. Now go to push pull tool, select this face and let us give a value of 45 mm.
So
Now,
Vijay, where did we select plane, or we don't need to select any plane in this, right?
no, no, we need to
To
select the
sketch
plane
this?
first.
Okay, so when you started sketch, it was already selected.
No, no, not already selected. We need to select it separately.
Okay, okay.
I
Maybe
can show
next
it
command you can tell.
again. I can show it again.
No problem. Please continue. Please
Okay,
continue.
now let us make the leg for the chair. Go to rectangle tool, rotate the model like this, and select this point. And let us make a square of 40 comma 40 mm. Now go to push pull tool, select this profile, and press control, and let's give a value of 300 mm. Now we have created the leg for the chair. For other legs, we can select this leg and right click and make group. Now go to move tool,
Make
select this point,
make group.
yeah, make group. Select this point and
Okay.
drag it up to here like this.
Make group is like to copy paste.
On a make group, we create the whole object as one. For as you can see, this object is separate. This face is separate. This face is separate. But if you
Okay.
want to make it a single body, you need to make it as separate.
Okay.
You can see it here that this a single body, but this is different body.
Okay. Okay. So it treats every surface, every face as a different object.
Yeah, yeah, different. Actually, it helps to
Okay.
create the object easily.
Okay.
If we didn't make it as a group, then we need to make it separately again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let us proceed with the other legs. Select this point, press Control, select this point, drag it up to here. Similarly for other leg also, go to Move tool, select this point, press Control and drag it here.
So it's move plus control and then copy,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay, is it okay? Okay. You have any doubt?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, so okay, if we need to change the dimension, that's not possible in it, right? Or can we change the like if we want to increase the height of the legs,
Yeah, it is possible. It is possible. You need to select this
can we
push
try
pull tool for this
input tool? Okay,
push pull tool.
push pull tool.
It is
Okay,
like giving extrude to the object. Extrude.
okay,
Okay, I'll show it to you. Actually, now we cannot edit this because it is a group. But if you want to edit the
Oh,
length, then you need to explode the object. Now we can edit it. You need to select this face and give the height. Did you get it?
okay. Whatever value we will give, it will increase.
Actually, earlier it was
Okay,
a group. Now we have exploded it.
understood. Okay,
Okay, can we
understand.
proceed? Can we proceed?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Please.
Now we'll make this rest of the chair. Uh, Let us create a profile. Sorry, path for first. Select this point. We give a value of. Let us give a value of 50. Uh, Again, go to line tool. Select this point and give a value of 450 mm. Now close this profile. Select this face and delete it. Now we'll create the profile. Select this point and let us make a square of 50 comma 50 color. Now go to follow me tool. Follow me tool. It is like giving sweep to the object. Sweep command. Select
Hmm.
this face. So select this profile and follow the path like this.
Hmm.
Okay, is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Now again we'll create this handle first by same procedure as we did earlier. Let us make the handle create a line of 160 mm. Now join it here. Select the tool, delete it. Now we'll make the profile. Make a square of 50, 40 comma 40. Go to push. Sorry, go to follow me tool. Select the profile and follow this path like this.
Hmm.
Now, in order to create the other handle, you will just use this handle.
We'll, we will first group it,
Yeah,
right?
we'll first group it. Okay, I'm having some difficulty. Right click and make it as a group. Now go to move tool, select this point and press control and move it here.
So it automatically snaps the points,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, automatically. Does it look similar or different?
It looks scaled, but yeah, the shape is same. Size may be different.
Yeah, actually I didn't remember the dimensions.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now let us
So,
make this support for the legs.
hmm.
For this, go to rectangle tool and select this point. Let us make a rectangle of 20 comma 40 mm. Now go to push pull tool and extrude it like this. Move it up to here. Now again we will utilize this support by making it as a group. Right click and make it group. Now select the move tool. Select this point, press control, move it here.
So it goes up in the same plane,
Same plane
like it
actually we need to
snaps.
follow the axis.
Yeah, I see it. The line was there. I see that. I see that.
Okay,
It's okay. You can continue. I saw that there was a line when you were moving it there.
okay, okay. Now let us make this object. This object. For this, go to rectangle tool and select this point and make a rectangle here like this. Go to select tool,
Delete the face.
select it and delete it. Now go to push pull tool. Select this face and drag it up to here. Now we'll just make these slots. For this, again go to rectangle tool and select this point and make it a rectangle. And we just randomly, not giving the particular dimensions. Again, now we will utilize this rectangle. For this, go to for this select this profile. Now go to move tool, select this point, press control and place it at a distance of 50 mm. Again, select this point and place it at a 50 mm. Again, similarly, here also press control and place it at 50 mm. Now go to push pull tool. It is the same tool for extrude and extrude cut. We select this face and drag it up to here. Similarly for this face also, select this point for this face also. Okay, now our chair is ready. It looks almost similar. Hello?
Yes, yes, yes. I am here. So, yeah, right. Now I think we are left with the colors.
Yeah, this is possible by going to materials. Go to this tab and go to wood here. We can give it any texture, whichever you like. For this,
Mhm.
select the whole chair. We select this. Let us select this texture and give it here. Now, as you can see, we have given the texture. If you have any doubt,
No, no, it's actually very much clear. I mean,
okay.
it's actually pretty simple as compared to other softwares which I am
Yeah,
aware of. I mean, yeah, it's actually very simple and it's good.
it's very interesting also.
Yeah. So I think we are done for the day, and like you already know that a lot of people ask us to do a voiceover in the tutorials so that they can understand what they're trying to do, what and how it is done.
Okay,
We are on to it, and we will be trying to improve the quality of our videos in coming future. And this is something new which we are doing today, like two people. One is actively presenting, other is just you can say learning. Like I am the learner in this video. I'm not sure whether this is a very great format, but I think having someone to have some questions is good, is always good. So leave your comments and let us know what do you think about it. And if you think it's a good concept, you would like to continue. It's slightly different from the normal tutorials because of these questions, and yeah, we will try to make it more interesting, and we'll try to bring more objects or more similar tutorials. Anything you have to say, Vijay,
uh,
to our viewers?
okay, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and also like it and share it if possible. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. In near future, maybe some of you can also join us in the tutorial. Whoever is interested in this, like I have joined today, Vijay. So leave your comments, leave your thoughts, whatever comes. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you.